would have taken a brief understanding of what we have. Before I proceed, right, I wanted to add a point here, right. By the end of the slides, we are going to ask some questions to you. For the questions, there are some goodies, so guys, please be focused. That actually will help us to address your needs in the future. So like Madhur mentioned, we are going to have a platform called Virtual Storage Platform 1, which is a one platform for all your hybrid cloud requirements, not just block, not just file, not just object. It will be the single data fabric for entire ecosystem for all kind of workloads, what we would be looking at going forward now, and even the legacy workload what we are using right now. So the first layer of the one platform is our data platform, from where we are going to serve the data. So what the data platform would be, right? So it would be like a one platform where we'll have all the fabrics, if we look at, right? So whatever workload we might have, be it AI workload, be it the enterprise app, databases, all those workloads can be addressed by the single platform. That actually help us to have what? That help us to achieve to move our workload from on-prem to cloud to edge the way we want to. And with the power is we are actually creating a single highly intelligent fabric which is powered by AI to support all types of data in all the environments. Now what is the benefit? The benefit is we don't have to run behind various kind of workloads to see what all platform would be required to serve what kind of a workload. It would be a seamless layer, a seamless management layer, a seamless data layer to serve all type of workloads. So when we look at, there are three key platforms to that. One data plane. So Hitachi's common storage virtualized operating system, we call it SWOS, is across all our portfolio. So all our storages run with the same kind of a software, which is now being embedded into the software defined storage offering as well, which will be on the hyperscalers. So you will have the flexibility to use your workload on-prem and to move it to the cloud and the way you want to move. The benefit along with this is our file and our object will work on top of this platform to give you the entire ecosystem of block, file and object. On top of this, we will have single control plane, which would be based on our, I would say, market's best platform. We call it Op Center, which actually will build a common control plane across all the solutions to have administer, manage and consume the services the way we want to. Therefore, by the addition of these two, we'll have a common data plane, which actually have a common control plane, and now we can have a common data fabric on top so that the applications to consume one platform. I hope this is unique. This we have not seen before in the past so far. Maybe yes, okay. So what we do with that, right? So VSP1, which is Virtual Storage Platform 1, does not need a software layer to deliver code as a service. We don't need any layer on top to deliver code as a service. Our platform is fully integrable with all open APIs, and we have the direct integration with all third-party tools like BMC, Helix, or I would say ServiceNow. And also there is no limitation in our direct plugins for various kind of workloads which can be integrated with the platform. If I talk for the security and the flexibility, Virtual Storage Platform 1 is designed to run natively within the public cloud providers, building a bridge for the applications from on-prem into the cloud, also allowing the customers to spin up their data services directly from their hyperscaler market, but all management, they can have it on-prem in their hands with the data center. Some use cases if I take is like cloud migration. With the help of that, we can easily migrate the application directly into the public cloud. That is one use case. Other is to have a system resiliency and the replication cloud copy. And the third one is what we normally look at. People want to have the services on the cloud is for the replication, to have the DR strategy in place. With the help of this single platform, we can have those seamless integration with the cloud as well as on the on-prem services. We don't want you to leave your existing infrastructures behind. Hitachi virtual storage platform, industry leading storage virtualization software. With that, we can provide a common virtualized pool of the storage, which are like Hitachi and non-Hitachi, if you have to serve your various application workloads. Now we can manage a mix of storage products from a single management plane interface to the common set of tools across all the platforms. If we look at, when we virtualize any third-party array, which means business can adapt to the new environments, extend the useful life of the hardware, and also more quickly assume the management of the acquired environments. The benefits are like we can extend the benefit of common management, which is like centralized data management of day-to-day admin and operations for the local IT team. The second advantage we look at is of non-disruptive migration of the workloads, which is the key pain of all the customers we handle. Their pain is how they are going to migrate the workload from the older system to the newer system. With the help of this, it goes seamlessly. There is no disruption in the application. It also extends the life of the aging hardware, what they already have, which they can still use for some more time for some DevOps and other activities. And at the end, it is a future-proof program with which we can actually consolidate the storage silos by virtualizing all third-party systems to one. This looks good, guys, I hope. Yeah. MSA is a modern storage assurance which actually help us to invest today and get the VSP1 tomorrow. Now the point is the VSP1 slide what Madhur showed, we are expecting to have that ready for the market by next year starting few months. What now? We can buy the storage, we can sell the storage, Hitachi storage with MSA that help the customer to get an assurance that when we have the VSP1, it can be seamless migrated to that. So all upgrades, when we go for a MSA, all upgrades are non-disruptive. That is removing long-term expensive migration to the new solution. It helps to lowering the CO2, the sustainability issue, which is the biggest issue nowadays in the market to be more sustainable. It reduces that. There is no need to have a new contract signed with the customer. The same old contract will be good, and we are going to serve the same contract. And the last thing is, it's a future proof for the VSP investment, which actually maximize the ability to intermix the NVMEs, the hybrid, the SAS, and all together on a single platform. It is not just the storage, because we have to live in a society, in an ecosystem. So all the ecosystem providers which are like required to be part of that entire center are part of the one VSP1 solution. So we are actually going to integrate and we will position all our ecosystem partners as part of the VSP1 marketplace, which can be choose the way we want to choose for the end customer. This is more of the data platform, but the point is a platform is nothing without an experience. Experience has to be good. The end customer should see a good experience, for which we have a data management layer, which is our leading ops center clear site. So our ops center will be elevated as our brand for infrastructure data management. Ops center clear site on the top, if you lead, will lead as a customer experience portal, which gives observability to all Hitachi systems built into their experience. Sorry? Okay. Last slide. Yeah. Going ahead to this, we have Ops Center Advanced, which have all the AI Ops software suite bundled to have that user experience. This is the beginning of it. The 2.0 version of the experience, that is VSP 360, which actually is the key across the entire platform, which actually build a true service platform on top of the VSP1. So it removes the issues of integration and consuming the solutions with various AML workloads. This is the data consumption engine, if you look at on the top, which integrate with the CMP. The applications, the workloads will be pointed to the 360 on the top. Then 360 will then deploy the workload automatically to the right infrastructure where it should go to make it more viable and more eco-friendly for the end customer. And this actually helps, this I would say enables to transport the application data across various kind of a platform, be it hybrid, on-prem, edge, seamlessly with no downtime. This talks for the management But all these things goes in vain if we are not sustainable. Sustainability is the key essence nowadays. If we look at Go Green is the key initiative, and how sustainable we can be in the ecosystem is the requirement of the market. So